A toilet that keeps acting up isn't just annoying. It can also lead to bigger and more expensive problems if left alone. If you've noticed leaks, clogs, or weak flushes, it might be time to call in for toilet repair in Ontario. Signs it's time for a repair. Running water. A faulty flapper or fill valve can waste gallons and drive up bills. Frequent clogs. Could be a sewer line issue or poor installation. Leaks at the base. A failing wax seal can damage your floors fast. Weak flushes. Often caused by blockages or a worn-out flush mechanism. Why fix it quickly? Small toilet problems can snowball into major plumbing headaches, like water damage or full system backups. Quick repairs save water, money, and stress. Call in the pros. Professional Ontario plumbers know how to spot whether you need a quick fix or a full replacement. With the right tools and experience, they'll get your bathroom back in order without the guesswork. Keep future issues away. Simple habits, like avoiding flushing wipes, checking for leaks, and scheduling routine inspections can keep your toilet running smoothly for years. Bottom line, don't let toilet troubles linger. If you're in Ontario and your toilet's acting up, reach out to a local plumber for reliable, lasting solutions.